Okay, in an unforeseen circumstance, Faith was the one to save the day. Now, I'm just thinking to myself, her saving the day kahle kahle kuvusa ingxabano because it now appears as if ukhulubuse akakhuzeki if Faith doesn't intervene. So now it's like, even though she was trying to do good, but it looks like amandla kaFaith maningi kunawo wonke umuntu la emndenini. It's like sakhala sakhe isicathulo, even though she meant good, even though she wanted to clear the air, even though the reasons behind this was to say lalelani njengomndeni asihlale phansi sikhulume silungise le ndaba. But at the end of the day, what goes out as a word is like she has more power than the rest of us, not even the mother or untombi, like everybody else, but until Faith intervened. So this comes shortly after Ukhulubuse ashawa ngengane. Aw, kodwa niyazenza izinto. So Mtana Kakhulubuse is like, you know what, I've had enough. So he went to his mother's room, found the mother crying, and then Mafika Lapo, he's asking, what is the problem? She says she's ukhathele ngayo yonke lento enzakala la ekhaya, and uzwa ngathi akabonwa yena akasuwo umuntu. But he took it upon himself uthi lalela shaya isibhakela ke mina, so shaya ubaba wakhe ke bese ke na, well, obviously they came separate, have a meeting. Now this is the meeting now that we're discussing about. So ubaba wakhe ukwate uganulwa, like he is fuming uthi ingane indelela kwami. Hayibo, angeke ngize ngihlale nenye indoda emzini wami. Ngamane isukume ihambe, akahambe lo mfana uyangidelela. Uma wakhe athi no, akusumfana lo. Ingane yakho Khulubuse. So you need to sit and have a conversation, and also uvele ucabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu lemhlabeni uyawenza amaphutha. So nalo mntwana lo uyenzile iphutha. So ngicela umxolele. They tried talking. Khulubuse is not coming to the party. He is not actually interested in anything that they have to say. He feels, well, as a Zulu man, he feels like he has been undressed. Then amandla wakhe kumele abonakale ekuthenini ayihambe ingane. That's when the power is going to be shown. But this time around, it's like, it's battle of power, because Faith came in and said, you know what, I want you to forgive him. And forgiving someone does not necessarily mean that untenge. It only means that you've got the capacity, about emotional intelligence bakho bale phezulu. So please forgive your son. Singakwazi ukuyilungisa lento njengomndeni. Yeah, no. And then uFaith was just athi uright untombi untombi mbuthi uyangiphaphela ke wena. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing a House of Zwide. Sanibonani absheni malweni minjani? Hawu ndimadekwana. So namuhla ka nokwa hina wa House of Zwide hi kuma kolo shlast tshamiseka ngekahle, looking at the fact that the guy that got the tender gore ayire mmereko wa masipala wa go tsa di-dustbin and stuff ha sa di tsia, apparently a re yena ba mo thušeditse, and then o bone gore instead of him gore a shwele contractor, he might as well just leave the contract and allow somebody else to do it, because ba mo thušeditse, and then impilo yakhe sengqipheni, so he cannot choose either or, so he is just going to leave, and then a itlogele taba eo. Even if Isaac tried asking gore khani ke mang go etsahetseng, he was not coming up with a story gore go etsahetseng. But now the problem becomes when umphakathi comes to Isaac and said, you know what, sakhetha nje, but kodwa cha asiboni indaba yakho, akusebenzeki mfana kithi kungcono sizihambele siye ku-Isaac. And I felt like that was a low blow from them, because why would you compare Isaac no Ezekiel? But kungcono bahambe baya kumprofit uEzekiel, because now udoti ugcwele iganga, ugcwele nasemgwaqeni, everywhere it's dirty. So now the abantu bathi no, wena ngathi into yakho asiboni nje, we might as well go with the prophet, because the prophet takes care of the community, and that is not true. Speaking of things that are not true, Umlife has found himself involved with some true information, in fact some untrue situation that got him to be slapped. What is this? So now Remember the girl that Mulife got, right? And then lied to and said that he's got yena ungu so mashishini una le di chelete de ingi o una di company ke yana le a tenderpreneur. So o tsere ngwana o le a utswa skia ko Thato a tsa ngwana o le a tsamaya ka yena ba ya ko kae ko mo Thato a berekang teng. Ha fitla mo le o mmontsha everything as if isusha yena and ayisha yena otshontshe xikhiya afamba. So now the unfortunate part of it, the girl was so turned on by the establishment and she started cutting the pools pa, and now the problem is Thato walks in with Neo. And wamona lo mfo lo bari ineo ihava mabriki shem ihava mabriki ambyela kwalano ku yabona wena i vulavula mavunwa. This is not where you work. As a matter of fact, when you work at the car wash, this is not your company. And how did you even make it inside? Yo, ngwanyana ole akwata kuruka mono atutumela. Aro unjenzi isibhanqa. Uyanixoxela ndithi. Uyanixoxela. Ay 1 2 3 kudwa par. Hey bamphara kampama omwe. And then now the lady left. And then, like, okay, that situation, I felt like, Uneo no Thato could have played 5. And I'm like, Thato, you could have just played 5 for Umalume. Thato was so upset. He got home. He told Umalume, no, but what you're doing is childish. You are supposed to be showing me how things are done. But look at us now. I'm showing you how things are done. Are wena, king, mpahuluhe wena. Yo guys, that situation was so bad. So he ended up, after the slap that he got, he ended up meeting Nozipho on the street and then said, Nozipho, there's something that I need to explain to you. I to Nozipho, I don't know what is it that you're going to explain that's going to change my mind. So I'm not sure explaining kwakhe, is there anything ozoyizuzana? On the other hand, Umaria says to Isaac, you cannot let people walk all over you. You need ratu utsanzu wemele uire something. Because this ndaba yakho yokuthi wena uzoba ngcwele straight and up, it's not working. So do something. Then Isaac athi, you know what? I cannot dance with the pigs. Oh, akase khalmu tata Isaac bakwethu. Hayi akase khalmu tata. And I think Maria understood, but she did not really agree with the situation. Isaac wants just to be calm about the situation. So at the end of the day, Isaac is not going to say anything. Oh, well, he's going to deal with it professionally. So thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate all the views that I get on a daily basis. I appreciate you clicking on my video on a daily basis and coming this far. Please do give it a thumbs up.